Hi, it's Sam here again from Unlock Democracy, and today I'm outside the Tate Modern, where we've seen really big protests against BP's sponsorship of major artworks in recent years. So we're here to talk about making more noise. An MP works for their constituents in the same way that a public company works for their shareholders. And if a public company must hold an annual general meeting to update their shareholders, why shouldn't our MPs do the same for us? At Unlock Democracy, we think they should. So we want to introduce a citizens' AGM. We know that bringing people together in this way can generate incredible energy and excitement, something that can seem quite daunting to politicians. But if they want our support at election time, we will continue to pile on the pressure for them to attend. In the first instance, this is how you go about it. Contact your MP saying, "We are a group of constituents and we would like to meet you. Can you give us a date, ideally in the next 4 weeks?" When you have the meeting, pick a small venue, like a church hall, so it won't matter if only a few people come, it'll still look like there's people there. When the day comes, have one of your team members to introduce the MP with a public address system if possible. Allow people to pose their questions, but close the evening within an hour. If the MP doesn't appear, we recommend empty chairing them rather than disbanding. But whatever happens, film it all and then upload 30-second sound bites to social media, and not forgetting to tag journalists.